Hello everyone. So after doing this dish from Kerala last week, Nadan Koi Curry, this week we are going to attempt a dish from North India, a delicacy from Mughlai cuisine called Shahi Paneer. I hope that you'll like it. So let us begin by looking at the ingredients that go into it. So we have the ingredients here before us. There are quite a few ingredients. So I think I'll let me start with paneer, and I'll probably go uh, clockwise. So this is 400 grams of paneer that you see, and this is grated छोटा बारीक basically garlic किया हुआ है, 5-6 cloves of garlic. ये हैं 6-7 cashew nuts. Then here we have 2 teaspoons of shahi paneer. This is normal garam masala. We'll use half a teaspoon of this as well. Half a teaspoon of lal mirch, and then 2 teaspoons of salt. So after this we have here ये टोमेटो का हमने पेस्ट बना के रखा है, and this we'll be using 10 basically tomatoes of this size. इसका पेस्ट करके रखा हुआ है. Then 2 large onions, उसका भी पेस्ट बना के यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. And then comes this kasuri methi. So ये हम अंदाजे से यूज़ करेंगे, हमने यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. This is anyway used in the end. So here we have grated ginger, and we have also shown here green chili. So these are 2-3 green chilies we have basically used in making this tomato paste. उसी में डाल दिया था हमने, and 3 हमने यूज़ किया है because वो हम सिर्फ जो रेड चिली है वो सिर्फ हाफ टी स्पून हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं. In fact we can do away with that as well, but we would in our recipe use half a teaspoon of red chili. Then we have here cream, fresh cream, around it's a big bowl, around 150 ml, let us say. And then this is milk. So milk ये हमने एक बड़ा कप रखा है, but we may not use all of it. We will see how the curry is and how much thick the curry we want, and accordingly we can adjust that. And this is the olive oil that we will use for cooking our shahi paneer. So this is about the ingredients. So let us start with the actual cooking now. We have used this around 6 tablespoons of olive oil, which is hot now, and we will start with the garlic. गार्लिक हमने डाल दिया. सो ये थोड़ा ब्राउन जल्दी हो जाएगा क्योंकि तेल गरम है. सो व्हाइल इट गेट्स ब्राउन, और ये ब्राउन हो गया है, इसको थोड़ा हम फ्लेम कम कर देते हैं. एंड नाउ वी आर पुटिंग आवर onion paste in this. So as you can see, so अभी इसको हम अच्छे से ब्राउन करेंगे. तो ये अभी हमारा अनियन काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्राउन हो गया है, you can see. So I think now it is time to add tomato paste to it. So in this tomato paste, remember we also have 3 green chilies. So ये 10 टोमेटोज बड़े साइज के, दिस इज द हार्ट ऑफ दिस डिश, 10 बड़े टोमेटोज 3 ग्रीन चिलीज के साथ प्यूरी बना के ये हमने इसमें डाल दिया है। एंड नाउ वी विल कुक इट रियली रियली वेल फॉर अ लॉन्ग लॉन्ग टाइम। ये पूरा अच्छे से काफ़ी ज़्यादा सूख जाएगा, जब अच्छे से पक जाएगा उसके बाद ही हम इसमें नेक्स्ट स्टेप करेंगे। सो फ्रॉम द इंग्रेडिएंट्स इट माइट सीम that this is going to be long drawn out cooking process, but surprisingly the cooking time of this dish is not that long, as you will see. So we will now leave it and let it cook. हाँ, उससे पहले हम इसमें what we will do is we will put our 2 teaspoons of salt. We will also put our grated ginger. So maybe I'll put a little bit more of salt. Half a teaspoon, you remember we said garam masala. Half a teaspoon of red pepper powder and 2 teaspoons of shahi paneer. Mix it well and cook it well. So अगर आप खड़े रहेंगे तो you can keep the flame high, but if you want to do something else, keep the flame low and come back to it after some time. So ये अभी हमारा देखिए अच्छे से इसका मॉइस्चर पूरी तरह से निकल गया है and it has become really nice thick paste. And now is the time to put cream in it. And this powder of cashew nuts goes in. So now, as we are looking at it, what we are trying to do is that we are trying to judge the thickness of the curry that we want. Okay, so accordingly we will add milk. So we have this milk ready here, but we are going to put it and see, gradually we are going to put it. So gradually I have actually put in 3/4 of this cup of milk, and we will bring it to a boil. So if we want it thinner, maybe we can add a little more milk. Okay, so this is final now. We'll bring it to a boil. Just one boil, and then we'll add the one seasoning that we have in the form of kasuri methi and the actual dish. the paneer. So I think the gravy is good enough. So I'm going to sprinkle some kasuri methi on it. And add our paneer. So look at the color that is coming out now. Beautiful. So this is the color we are looking for. Lovely. So the only thing that is left to do now is, I think, the eating. So don't shake it a little too much too, because we don't want the tender paneer pieces to get broken. So looking good. This is the color we are looking for. Orangish. And it is coming to a boil. So I think we can switch it off now. So just 2 minutes is all that it took after we put the paneer in it. Here we have this beautiful looking Shahi paneer that I just can't wait to have it inside my stomach, through my tongue. So it goes well with both roti as well as naan. Thanks guys, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you try this recipe and like it. Do give your comments and feedback. I always welcome it. Thank you.